Welcome to this OneStudent training video. In this video, we will look at how administrators and heads of department can manage assessment items in OneStudent. Assessment items are used to set up the assessments that teachers will mark in their markbooks. This may include exams, assignments, projects, or other assessment tasks. By the end of this video, you will understand how to open the assessment items page, create a new assessment item, add criteria, apply cutoffs, copy items, lock or unlock items, delete items, and download the assessment list as a CSV. To begin, log into OneStudent and navigate to the left-hand menu. Under the Admin section, click Assessment Items. This will open the Manage Assessment Items page. On this page, you can view all assessment items for the selected school year. At the top of the page, you will see the year selector. This allows you to switch between academic years. You will also see the action toolbar. This includes options to add, delete, lock, unlock, copy to next year, download CSV, refresh, and generate progress reports. To create a new assessment item, click Add Assessment Item. This opens the assessment item profile. Here you will enter the details for the assessment. Every field on the assessment item profile is described below. Mandatory fields must be completed before saving. Topic is a mandatory free text field. Use a short, descriptive title such as financial planning. Order is optional. It sets the position of the item in the year and defaults to 9. Form is optional. Choose between summative or formative. Class is mandatory. Select the class this assessment belongs to. Assessment number is mandatory. Enter a school-defined identifier such as IA1 or FIA2. Type is mandatory. Describe how the assessment is conducted, such as examination or project. Start week is mandatory. Select when the assessment begins. End week is also mandatory. It must be the same as or later than the start week. Unit is optional. Use this to group the assessment within a subject. Year is optional and defaults to the current academic year. Notes is optional. This is for internal staff use and does not appear on student reports. If any mandatory field is missing, OneStudent will highlight the field and prevent saving. Next, add criteria for the assessment. Criteria are the individual areas that teachers will mark. Click Add Criteria to create a new row. Enter the criterion number to control the order. Enter the criterion name. Select the mark type. Use numeric for scores, or A to E for letter grades. If using numeric marks, enter the mark total. Repeat this process for all criteria. Next, set cutoffs. Cutoffs allow OneStudent to calculate a suggested grade automatically. Select a cutoff type that matches your assessment. Enter the values for each grade band. Teachers can override the calculated grade if needed. Once complete, click Save. The item will appear in the list. To edit an item, click its ID. Make changes and click Save. If the item is locked, it must be unlocked first. To copy within the same year, select the item and click Copy. A duplicate will be created. Update the details before use. To copy to next year, select items and click Copy to next year. Then switch the year selector to confirm. To lock an item, select it and click Lock. To unlock, click Unlock. To delete an item, select it and click Delete Assessment Item. This action is permanent. To export data, click Download CSV. The file will download for review in Excel. You have now seen how to manage assessment items in OneStudent. These control what appears in markbooks and how results are calculated. Remember to review copied items, apply cutoffs, and lock items when complete. Thank you for watching.